In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable wallets in Stripe. To get started, sign in to your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage payment settings, because some options may not be visible if your access level is limited. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business profile in Stripe. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which appears as a small gear. This is where Stripe keeps the main configuration options for your account, including the settings related to how you accept payments. After that, find and select Payments under the Product Settings section. This area controls the payment experience for your customers and lets you manage the methods your business can accept during checkout. Once you're in the Payments area, open the Payment Methods tab. This tab is where Stripe lists the available payment options connected to your account. Depending on your region, business type, and integration, the list may look slightly different, so don't worry if your screen isn't identical in every detail. Now scroll down until you reach the Wallets section. Wallets are fast checkout options that let customers pay using saved payment details from services like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Link by Stripe. Enabling these can help reduce friction at checkout and may improve conversion, especially for mobile users. In the Wallets section, turn on the wallets you want to accept, as long as they're available for your account. You may see options such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Link by Stripe. It's a good idea to enable the ones that make sense for your customers and sales channels. If a wallet isn't shown, it may not currently be supported for your account setup or region. If Stripe prompts you to complete domain verification or any additional setup, go ahead and finish that before moving on. This is especially important for wallets like Apple Pay, which often require your website domain to be verified so customers can use that payment method securely on your site. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, since Stripe will guide you through anything required. When everything is set the way you want, click Save to apply your changes. This final step makes sure your wallet settings are updated and ready to use. After saving, it's a smart idea to test your checkout experience so you can confirm the wallets appear correctly for customers. Thanks for watching.